Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to use the turn into feature in your Notion template. The reason you would want to use this is say that you created a to-do list, but you decided you wanted to make it into a to-do checklist. And so you already have all of your information typed out. Instead of erasing it, you can use this feature. It really is a lot quicker. So you can see that right now I have a heading that says turn into. What we're going to do is, in order to turn this into a checkbox or bullet point or maybe numbers, we are going to hover over these six little dots. We're going to click on it. Once we click on it, you can see that this menu appears. You're going to want to go down to where it says turn into. Once you hover over that, you're going to see that there's all of these options to choose from, and you can pick any of them to turn this current text into whatever you need to turn it into. So let's say we're going to turn it into a to-do list. You can see that I took that text and I have now turned it into where it is a checkbox and a to-do list. You can now check this off. And that is how you use the turn into feature in your Notion templates. If you found this video to be helpful, please check out my other videos. You might find those to be helpful too. Thanks. Bye.